Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down how to send XRP to stake in 2025. With cryptocurrency evolving rapidly, staking your XRP is a fantastic way to earn passive rewards while supporting the network. Whether you're new to crypto or a pro, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can get started quickly and confidently. First off, before you dive in, make sure you have a secure wallet that supports XRP staking. Options like the XRP Toolkit, Ledger, or other compatible apps are your best bet for 2025's updated protocols. Start by logging into your wallet on a secure device. Always prioritize safety to protect your assets. Step 1. Verify your XRP balance. Head to your wallet's dashboard and check how much XRP you have. Most platforms require a minimum amount, like 10 XRP or more, so ensure you're good to go. Step 2. Navigate to the staking section. Look for options like Earn or Stake in your wallet's menu. In 2025, interfaces might be even more user-friendly with new updates, so keep an eye out for any prompts. Step 3. Select the amount you want to stake. Decide how much XRP to lock up. Remember, staked tokens aren't immediately accessible, but they could earn you rewards over time. Step 4. Review the transaction details. This includes fees, staking duration, and rewards estimates. Double-check everything to avoid any surprises, as crypto fees might be lower in 2025 due to network improvements. Step 5. Confirm and sign the transaction. Use your wallet's authentication method, like a PIN or biometrics, to finalize it. Once confirmed, your XRP will be staked, and you can track your rewards in the wallet's dashboard. A quick tip. Always use official sources to avoid scams, and only stake what you can afford to hold. Crypto can be unpredictable, so stay informed on 2025 regulations. There you have it. That's how you send XRP to stake in 2025. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.